What's up? This is Brian Pfeiffer, marketingmeathead.com. Today I'm going to talk to you about how I was hacked already with my brand new course. Let's first check in on the campaigns for today. You can see here we got the big one up to back about a 10K a day, so good signs there, and it's very profitable, somewhere around $3,500 in profit, 35% ROI. The other campaign, we're scaling. We got it up to 3K a day roughly, and last week total we made $4,500, and that was after we paid for active campaign, upgrade, and then security. We had an issue with our domain being flagged in some virus softwares, even though there's nothing wrong with it, so we had to pay a $200 fee to security to try to clear that up. Here is the Giddy Up Offer I'm running. I was at like $1,400 a day roughly, and it was only about $100 profit. It hasn't been particularly great. Last week was only about $1,000 profit total for the whole week. It's been kind of inconsistent traffic. One day I'm doing really well and the traffic looks amazing, and the next day it's terrible. So I'm a little bit nervous to scale with the inconsistency in the traffic. So the last 2 days were pretty consistent. So hopefully I can, if I can get like 2 or 3 or 4 days more in a row of good traffic, I think I'm going to scale that up again and see if I can get the numbers up a little bit on that one. So anyway, here's the deal. I have this new course. I'm sure you guys are aware. It's called the Digital Entrepreneur System, and this thing's been hacked. Somebody got into it, and the reason I know is because they emailed my support and were asking me where the videos were. They're like, "Where's the videos?" And I'm like thinking to myself, really, dude? You hacked into my course, and now you're emailing my support asking where the content is. I haven't even uploaded it yet. Some of it I have, but not all of it. And I couldn't believe it. So, of course, I hit up ClickFunnels and asked them why, somebody was able to get into my members area, and they're like, oh, you must have, somehow they must have got the secret link. And I'm like, well, that's odd, because I haven't sent the secret link to a single person. So there's a way, there must be a way to hack into these membership areas, and somebody hacked in. And it's been more than one person, because I saw there was another name in there as well, and even 3 days ago there's another name that popped up in there. So some ways somebody's getting into this membership area, and I'm assuming it's a global problem on ClickFunnels, my guess. So my question to you guys, actually, as my followers, is if anybody knows how to hack into these membership areas, I'd like to know how they're doing it, and then potentially how I can block that. So there is some ways. I am going to drip feed this thing. So week one's going to be the first 7 days. Week 2 is going to be 7 days later. So I'll have to monitor the people coming in once they buy it and make sure there's no random people that just get in. And then if there are, I'll just archive them. But they might get access to week 0 and week 1. But they're not going to get very far. And plus, I'm going to put some fail safes in. They have to, if you actually buy the product, you're going to get tagged a certain way. So you get tagged, and then you only have access to the certain weeks based on the tags you have. So there's ways around it. I know a little tricks, a few little tricks too to get these hackers from getting the content or all the content. But man, it's annoying. Okay, it's very annoying that these people are able to get in like that. It's a little bit frustrating. You'd think ClickFunnels would be a little bit better system by now and not have a way of people backdooring people's members areas. But it is what it is. We'll figure it out. If anybody in the comments wants to hit me up and tell me how they're doing this, I would appreciate it. And we're just going to have to monitor it, and we'll just make sure the people just get removed as soon as they get in if they didn't pay for it. But I wanted to let you know, guys, I'm getting there. I did film. I'm starting to film week 4 this week. So basically weeks 0, 1, 2, and 3 are mostly done. I'm still waiting on Mark and Ross to do a few things in these areas. We're adding some landing pages and some images and stuff to some of these areas, plus a couple of different offers we're going to have you guys work with in week 1. And once I get done with week 4, week 5 is going to be probably this weekend, and then I'm going to probably put it on sale somewhere around August 7th. That's going to be when it's going to be available. Only one weekend it's going to be available for the lowest price, one-time offer, kind of for that weekend. Then the price is going to go back up. That one-time offer is going to include all the upsells and everything. It's going to be a really good deal. I know some of you guys out there are struggling, and I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for a little long time for me to get this thing done, but I'm doing this thing really nice. I have PDFs and everything. This is just 1 week here, guys. Okay, this is and each of these modules might have more than one video. Some of them do. Okay, so this is just 1 week. I got 18 modules, okay, in 1 week, okay, and with tons of videos and editing and stuff, and I did a PDF for the first 5 weeks. I put a ton of work into this thing, man. I've been literally working on this thing for 3 months, okay? So it's going to be the best course on the market. I'm 100% sure of that. And the quality of this thing is going to be it's going to sell itself. Okay, and I'm confident then once I get a few of you guys through it, and you get some results, and you get some video testimonials for me, showing me your results, I can take this thing evergreen, and we can make a lot of money with it down the road. And it's going to be a very valuable course for a lot of people and help a lot of people. That's the goal with this thing. So I don't want to take up too much time. I don't want to really talk about this course because it is coming soon. If you haven't signed up for the DES, the Digital Entrepreneur System, make sure you go and click on the link below. Get on the wait list. I'll start emailing next week with a webinar that I'll be putting on, showing you guys everything in the course, and I'll put together like a nice presentation and whatnot. So I want everyone to join me on that next week. It'll be late in the week, but looking forward to getting this out to everybody and seeing some success. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you like the video if you did like the video, and if you haven't joined the channel, make sure you subscribe, bang the notifications bell. I'm the Marketing Meathead. Talk to you later.